Here at the Wheeler Hydraulic Cylinder Shop, we have the capabilities to rebuild, recondition any hydraulic cylinder components back to like new condition. And they all come with a 1-year warranty. What sets us apart from our competitors is that we're able to replace rods, we can re-chrome rods, we can re-rod, all in-house. We can also weld and machine our bearing bores back to spec.
We're able to work on a wide variety of hydraulic components, including pumps, motors, valves, hydraulic gearboxes, any services you need for that type of component.
What some people might not know is that we are able to recondition hydraulic hammers, both Cat and non-Cat. If compatible to a Caterpillar machine, we can test them on site.
Contamination control here is very important. It does not take very much debris at all to ruin the hydraulic system, which can cost thousands of dollars to a customer. We work very diligently between our clean room, our blocked off teardown, and our isolated test room to keep everything as clean as possible for our customers.
We're really focused on reusability and minimizing downtime for our customers and minimizing costs so we can hone cylinders as opposed to replacing barrels and cylinders.
We run each component through a quality control process. Everything is quality checked by a team leader. He's got to sign off on it before that component leaves Wheeler Machinery. We've got a great training program here at Wheeler Machinery that is component specific to what we do.
Wheeler's really focused on making their customers happy, keeping their customers happy, maintaining those relationships, and they're also looking out for their own. They want to make sure that their employees are happy.
It's customer first, it's safety first. They want to make sure that their employees are well taken care of so that we can, in return, take good care of our customers.